Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make any items bigger or smaller on the screen of Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see tons of apps and some widgets. So in order to make all of this bigger or smaller in size, what you need to do is just open the settings and just click on this display option. And now just scroll down below. So here you can see screen zoom. So on different Android smartphones, the name may be little different like display size or screen scaling, but the tricks will still remain the same. Now just click on the respective option. Now below you can see where you can increase or decrease. So by default it is placed here. Now if you place on the left side, so you can see it will become smaller in size. Now let me minimize it. Now you can see the fonts as well as the app icon size become smaller in size. Now if I place it to the right last, so you can see the preview how big it looks when the font size has been increased. So if I minimize it, so you can see I can see the fonts become bigger in size right now, and even the app icon size. And if you want to restore it back, just place it to the default settings. Then it will be restored back to the default size. And if you want to increase or decrease the fonts only, then just select this font size and styles, and here you can select the font styles as well as the font size to increase or decrease the font size only. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily make any items bigger or smaller on the screen of Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.